Hey guys, welcome again. Till now we had successfully completed 3 modules. In these modules, we had learned how to download and install Xampp and WordPress. So till now, if you are facing any issues, just go back and watch the videos again so that you can clarify. Or else you can directly contact me through my mail or just leave a question at Q&A session. I'll be answering to you. So now we are entered into 4th module. In this module, we are going to see how to download and install WordPress templates, plugins, and how to customize widgets. Okay, so we'll see one by one. Now I'm going to start with the installation of template manually and from the WordPress dashboard itself. Okay, we are going to see in both ways, but before that I'm going to remind you that in previous session I had created a new user and assigned a role author to it. So let me log in with those credentials and I'll show you first. Okay, so before that I'm going to check whether my Xampp control panel is perfect or not. So I'm gonna click on Xampp control panel. So here you can see Apache and MySQL were in green color and both are in start actions. Okay, so there is no issues with Xampp control panel. So I'm gonna proceed with by entering my login details. So these are admin details. I'm gonna clear and I'm gonna proceed with J. So here J is the username and password will be H, I think. Yes, so I'm gonna hit on login. So after login, here you can find a dashboard. This is quite different from the dashboard which we had seen first, right? Here you can find only 3 options like post, media and comments. The profile is the general option, and tools, I think nothing will be given in tools. Yes. So basically we know that author is only meant for writing and publishing the posts. So writing and publishing needs a picture access also. So that's why media option is also enabled for author, and also comments for replying to the viewers. Okay, so these are all meant for author. So author can access only these 3 options. So how this author role useful to you means, if you are started any blog in coming days, so if you want to hire any content writer so that you can create a new user and you can give a role author to it, and you can directly share your username and password to that person, like to that hired person, so that he can directly write a content in posts. Okay, so you can even verify that and you can publish that. So this is the main use of creating a user and assigning a author role. Okay, so let me log out from this author. Okay, so now I'm going to log in with my admin. So here you can see all the options which we had seen at first. So this is admin, so admin having all access. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to download a template. So as of now, just click on visit site. So here you can see there is nothing homepage. Just go to appearance and here you can find themes. Click on that. After that, go to top. Here you can find add new button. Click on that, and then you can find search theme slot here. Just search for Astra, A-S-T-R-A, or else you can find a lot of templates here. Let me show you. All templates are free. See, here you can see the lot of templates. You can download any template, you can install any template. So those are completely free. So as of now, I'm going to show you with the Astra because it is a little bit easier to understand. A-S-T-R-A, Astra. So here you can see this is the Astra template. I'm gonna click on this. Here you can find a install button on top. So click on that. Just wait for a couple of minutes to complete installation. So yes, the installation of template is completed. So after installation of any template, you have to activate the template. Here you can find the activate button in the same place. Just click on that. Then yes, so thank you for installing Astra. Get started. So get started is, it means that basic setup we have to do. So I'll show you basic setup also. Okay, so here you can find, let me reload this. Yes, so main view of home page is changed. So this 2020 theme is waste, so I'm gonna delete this. Yes, so now the only theme installed is Astra. So installation of Astra template is completed. Here you can find a lot of options like themes, customize, widgets, menu, Astra options. So these Astra options is come up with this template, and then theme editor. So I'll tell you about all these options. So before that, I'm going to show you how to install template manually. Okay. So now we installed a template directly from WordPress library. Okay. Now I'll show you how to install a template manually. Just go to new tab and search for Astra theme free download. Okay, then you can find wordpress.org. Just go that. Here you can see download option. Just hit on that download. So here you can see our Astra template files are downloaded. So let me click on show in folder. So it is our template file. It is in zip format. So I'm going to dashboard. Now just go to add new, and here you can see at the same place upload theme. Just hit on upload theme and choose file, or you can even drag that. Just go to downloads. So it is my Astra template file. I'm going to drag this and leave it here. Just close, install now. But we already installed this Astra template, right? So we'll see what it will show. Unpacking the package. And see, destination folder is already exist, right? See, replace current with uploaded. It means that already we had installed Astra from a WordPress library, and again we are trying to install it from a manually. Okay, so that is why it is stating that a destination folder is already exists. So this is the two ways to install a template. You can even install directly from a WordPress library, or this is quite similar to a WordPress library. So here also you can find a templates. You can directly download from here, and you can even upload manually, and after uploading you have to activate that. Okay, these are all the two possible ways to install a template, to install and activate a template. So we'll see the template setup in coming video. So that's all. Thank you.